relatives, friends, colleagues, you know that I'm not a person who can speak a lot, but I always speak. When I speak, I always speak something from my heart. Can you guys give some applause? Thank you. Yeah, and I think I have something to speak to you. When we first met in Takashimaya, Saigon, I was not only attracted by your beauty, but also attracted by your eyes. Because in China, we always say, eyes are the window of your heart. We have been together for almost 2 years.
Kind of sweet.
I'm about to change it right now.
Call me Phóng.
We have been through tough times, happiness, sometimes extremely tight as well. But the time has proven that our love for each other is very clear. So I don't have too many to say. You're a nice girl. You're my wife now. I will take care of you well, take care of our family well. Beautiful. And we all make every day make our life more meaningful, simple. Yes, I will. I would love to take care of her, and I will obey. Especially, I also would like to take the chance to extend my sincere thanks to Mẹ Nguyễn Ba Yong, Grandma, Uncle Yong, and all the Uncle Vân An, all the family members for their great support and love, and I feel it every day. So really, thank you so much. I love you guys.
Tốt đẹp nhất là chúc hai con là mãi mãi hạnh phúc bên nhau. Đó là niềm vui của cha mẹ. Rồi, cảm ơn các con. sức khỏe.
不能过来。来，可以来。
Hai gia đình chúng ta thế nào cũng có dịp để gặp nhau.
Love is all you need. This whole world doesn't see. Someday we could all be free. We could change the world if we would just believe. 'Cause faith and love is all you need. This whole world doesn't see. Someday we could all be free. Yeah, we could change the world if we would just believe.